Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your data is safe. Backup important files to Google Drive or a USB. Once done, make sure the Dell Chromebook is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi. Sign out of your current account if you're signed in. Next, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to open the Power Wash dialog. This triggers the factory reset tool. When the prompt appears, choose Restart and then confirm Power Wash to start the device wipe and reset process. You'll see a confirmation screen asking to proceed. Select Confirm to execute the factory reset. The Chromebook restarts and runs the Power Wash routine, which wipes local accounts, settings, and cached data. This restores system defaults. Make sure you watch the reboot sequence. The device may perform multiple restarts while restoring the Chrome OS image. If your Dell is Enterprise enrolled, you must remove management enrollment in Admin Console first. Otherwise, the device will reapply policies after reset. Once the Power Wash finishes, you'll walk through the initial setup. Select Language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google account. This reestablishes your profile and sync. After setup, restore files from Google Drive or your USB backup and reinstall any apps or extensions you need. If the reset fails or the OS is corrupted, make sure to use the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to create a recovery USB. Then boot the Dell into recovery mode and reflash the system image as the troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.